Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial I'm gonna introduce you the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. So let me start with an example. Let's take our hello world div and let's set the text content to be equal num1 plus num2. Save it, and as you can see here I set num1 to be equal 5 and num2 to be equal 7. So 5 plus 7 we should get 12. So we should see 12 on our web page. Let's refresh it, and as you can see here it is really 12. What happens here is we are taking the variable num2, we are taking its value 5, then we are taking variable num2 and we are taking its value 7, and we are saying 5 plus 7, and 5 plus 7 is 12. And they are setting the 12 as the text content of the hello world div. Also, there are subtract operator. 5 minus 7 is 2. Let's see it. And as you can see here, it is actually minus 2. What happens here is just the same as in addition. Also, we can have multiplication operator. Let's see what happens here. 35, because 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Also, we can have a divide operator over here. And what we should have something less than 1. We have a number which is less than 1, okay? Because we divide 5 by 7. Also, we have a remainder operator, and what remainder operator does, for example, let me show you. 12 by 7 tells how much remains after we divide equally. So in our case, 12 is equal 1 multiplied by 7 and plus 5. So this operator will produce 5, because it is a remainder which does not divide by 7, but the part of 12 which does not divide by 7. Okay, so let's do it in here, and we are getting 5. Another thing which we have, let's take 2 and 3, the power, and the power is denoted by double multiplication signs. So save it, and now we are saying raise num1 to the power of num2, and we are raising 2 to the power of 3, and we should get 8 here, and we are getting 8. So pretty easy, huh, guys? Okay, I think that's clear. That's very clear. We are just performing arithmetic operations on variables. Also, we can perform the same arithmetic operations on numbers. So I can write directly 2 to the power of 4, and I will get 16 over here. That should be clear, guys, for you. So, as the bonus of this video, I'm going to introduce you the developer console in Chrome. Let me at first write something to developer console. For this to happen, let's write console.log, and let's write here hello world. What this statement does is it writes to console directly, and we see the output in console. There are a lot many other features to the developer console, but let's cover them bit by bit. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you the console itself and the console.log statement which outputs to console. So save the main.js file. We don't need our variables because we are not going to demonstrate addition and subtraction and operations anymore. So save it, and let's refresh the page. And as you can see here, nothing happens. So right click the page and click inspect, or as you can see here, you can click Ctrl+Shift+E. Okay, but I will click inspect, and we are getting a developer console. So you can move it around by going over here. You can dock it out and stretch it. You can dock it to the left, you can dock it to the bottom, or you can dock it to the right. I prefer it being docked to the right. In order to change the theme from light to dark, go to over here, go to settings, and pick a theme. So I pick it light right now, but as you can see here, it is hard to distinguish. So I will stick with a dark theme here. Go to settings and change theme to dark. So here we output to console. Let us see this message in console. If we go up here and pick console, we should see hello world. Let me put something else here. save main.js, refresh the page, and as you can see here, something else is outputted. Also, there is no difference whether or not we'll output operators. So for example, we can output 2 to the power of 4. Save the page, refresh it, and as you can see here, we got 16. So that's all guys for today. Thank you guys for watching. Leave comments, ask what is not clear for you. I will be glad to help you. Bye!